second episode of Teen News Your News. I'm Alexi, and today we're going to be talking about water and how you can save water in many ways. So, our first way is to have hand-me-down shirts and clothes. An average shirt takes about 2,700 liters of water to make. Another way that can save you lots of money and lots of water. It will save about 100,000 liters of water a year, just from you. It's called low flow fixtures. And you can get it shower heads, toilets. And for toilets, you can do other things, which I'll explain next. So this is where the water comes out, these sides. And they shoot out the water, but it shoots out way too much water because it's filling up to the top of your toilet, and it makes it fill up with water. Another way to help stop or to help save water and to lower your water usage and to save money, get a soda bottle. So this is the inside of your toilet where the water fills up. Put a water bottle filled about halfway with water so it will help keep it down. You put it in there, and that will take up space of the water. And no, it will not overflow your toilet. Another way to save water and money is to just turn off the tap while you're brushing your teeth, shaving, or anything like that. Another way is to aerate your lawn. Let's take our water from our ice and let's water these plants. Amazing. Now our plants are going to grow nice and healthy. Another way to save water is to have a rain barrel. Also, reuse to plant, let it cool down. Use your pasta boiling water and let it cool down. And also, take shorter showers. And remember, please save water. Because we're already on limited water. So please save water to help reduce droughts and water shortages. Thank you. Alexi out.